Well, it's Wednesday today, and tomorrow I'm finally going to do something that's been on my bucket list for like years. So I'm going to visit a place which almost every rider, every biker dreams of visiting at least once in their lifetime. And yes, it's Ladakh. And this time, you guys are coming with me. I'm going to take you guys throughout the Ladakh trip. So stay excited and make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and share this video across anyone, everyone who's interested in biking and whatnot. So let's go. Yo, everyone. Good morning. Finally, we are on our way to the airport, and it's the day which we all anticipated the most. We had booked the flight tickets like 3 months ago, and we had booked all our Ladakh things like 3 months ago. And today is the day where we are going to Ladakh. And right now it's 4:35, and we have another half an hour to reach the airport. We're already in a cab, and I also have Arya next to me, who's sleeping apparently because he slept at 2:30 and brother woke up at 3:30 because he wanted to pack his bag at 11 p.m. That's the kind of person he is. So let me try waking him up. Arya, say hi to the vlog.
Yo, A to the C to the B to the. Just a quick one.
Yo, 148, 3 to the 6 to the.
Well, we have officially reached the airport. Now we are waiting for another three of our friends, Aditya, Suchint, and Adishesh. So we are waiting for them. Once they come here, we are back here. So once they reach airport, we are going to go inside, check in our suitcase, get the security check done, and so yeah, let's meet once we are done with the security check-in. So we just finished our check-in, and we also finished our security check-in as well. Right now we are walking towards the gate. Well, the gates are going to open at 6:25. It's 6:10 right now. So let's meet once we get into the flight. And anyways, we all met. This is Aditya. That's Suchinta there. And that's Adishesh. Where is Arya? Hello, no. Well, Arya is lost and found. We'll have to find him in lost and found. Oh, he's here.
Comedy, yeah?
Yes. Well, we are right now waiting near the gate. Well, unfortunately, we got the last gate, which is the gate 43 in Bangalore Terminal T1. We have to walk all the way from the security check-in to the gate T1 right now, and we are waiting for the gates to open right now. And Arya is teaching Suchint how to set up his camera because Suchint recently bought a Action 5 Pro. Even though we insisted him to buy a Insta360, we can't help. Well, we have boarded the flight and the flight is going to take off anytime soon. So it's going to take another 3 hours 45 minutes for us to reach Srinagar. And Arya over here is listening to music, I guess. Maybe he's not connected. Can you hear what I'm talking? Yeah, he is listening to music. And there's Adi over there. Even he's also logged in when it's time for me to log in. Logged in to listen to music.
I watch movie.
Better option than listening to music.
How is it better option?
Well, you get something visual things to watch.
Please stop talking.
Well, it's 8:30 right now, and it's been 1.5 hours since we boarded the flight. I never felt so cold. This is the first time I'm feeling this cold in a flight, so that's the reason why I'm wearing this hood right now. And everyone over here are asleep. But yeah, I guess we are going to land in another 1.5 hours, so let's see.
We're heading to the airport.
We are heading out of airport.
Heading to the heading out of the airport. Heading to the hotel. Our Kakas Kaze is there behind. Obviously cannot record. Hey, you can take it. Go,
Hold it.
Hey, Papi. This is Adishish. Adishish, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Shish. How's Srinagar? Like
Srinagar
Bangalore?
is beautiful. Just
In the airport?
landed in the airport.
Well, we just checked into the hotel, and here is the room. It's spacious enough for 3 people, and we have taken the other room over there as well. And Adishesh and Suchint are staying here. Say hi, boys. Well, Suchint is not seen. So yeah, well, I couldn't record anything in the airport because it's maintained by Indian Air Force. So there's a restriction that we cannot record anything in airport and nor in the cab. Arya is recorded in the cab. So yeah, we're gonna have. Anyways, we are gonna go have some lunch now. Let's meet post lunch. Yeah, we didn't have breakfast. We are all hungry right now, nor we drank any coffee or tea in the morning. Yeah, so let's meet after lunch. Oh, Inga. So as soon as we checked in, we had our lunch somewhere around 2 p.m. and we took a power nap of 3 hours. And yeah, we got freshened up, and right now we are on our way to the market to buy some basic items like thermals, shoe cover and all those things, because there might be water crossing in the coming days. And we also need thermals because it's going to be much more cooler than what it is right now. And I also need to buy a slipper. I forgot to get a slipper from Bangalore, so I need to buy that as well. So yeah, once we enter the market, I'm going to show you guys the market. Well, we did go to Shalimar market and we bought some thermals over there. We couldn't find anything other than thermals. It was not like a market. We just entered a shop. We bought some thermals for tomorrow, and right now we are on our way to Dalgate. Yeah, we are on our way to Dalgate. So the shopkeeper over there told us that we can buy a lot of things over there. It's like a market place. So we are going there right now. We are in a cab, and it's 7:15, and it still feels like it's 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. right now, and the sunset has just started. So it's pretty weird feeling for a South Indian, obviously. And yeah, so another 20 minutes we are going to be in the Dalgate or whatever market. Yeah, we are gonna.
We'll try some street food. We'll try
Do some shopping.
Street food, and some local cuisines. We only got one day today here to explore. Ashish.
That's it. Then we'll head back to our hotel for the briefing for tomorrow.
ये गलियां है श्रीनगर के गलियां
श्रीनगर का पानी
इन ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಡವೆ ದಡಿಯಾ ನೀನು ತೊಡೆ ಈ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದೈತಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ
ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್
Well, I'm here in Lal Chowk right now searching for shoe covers, for waterproof shoe cover. I still haven't found any yet. The shopkeeper over there, when the one I inquired about, he told you'll get it somewhere on the roadside. So I'm not finding any, but yeah, here is the walkway basically, and so the whole road is like a marketplace. There's a lot of roadside shop there in the front, and on the left it's completely Dal Lake, and there's a lot of boat house as well. As you guys can see, there's a lot of boat house and the Dal Lake as well. And over here, this is the, I guess this is the flea market of Srinagar. So there's a lot of roadside shops. You can get a lot of like jackets, sweaters, shawls, a lot more. Well, we are carrying a lot of. I mean, we are carrying everything right now. All the jacket and everything. Well, the lady almost tripped on me. Yeah. Well, we are carrying everything, but we're not getting what we want. So yeah, hopefully we can get it somewhere else, or maybe we can buy it in Leh or somewhere. Hopefully we can find it. देखो नाम क्या है आपका?
मुबैशर।
हाँ
मुबैशर।
क्या क्या?
मुबैशर।
मुबैशर।
हाँ।
अच्छा, तुषार है मेरा नाम।
आप कहाँ से हो?
बैंगलोर से।
बेंगलोर।
हाँ
मज़ा है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, आज आए हम, कल लद्दाख जाना है कल।
घूमने गए कहीं पे?
नहीं नहीं, आज अभी घूम रहे हैं, अभी इधर।
और मेरे साथ आते घूमने आपको मज़ा आता है।
ठीक है। Well, the people over here are very friendly, to be honest. So yeah.
सफर कैसा है ये सफर सफर कैसा है ये सफर